Imagine sinking into 58 invigorating jets, feeling all your stress melt away. With one luxurious lounger and 5 spacious seats, there's room for everyone to unwind. The Balboa TP500 control panel makes it easy to customize your perfect spa experience. But that's not all. The enchanting ambience created by 22 radiant LEDs, 4 captivating fountains, and a 10-inch waterfall will transport you to another world. Plus, the powerful 3 kW heater ensures you stay cozy all year round, efficiently powered by a 32 amp supply. We've even included a chemical tablet dispenser pod, 3 steps, an insulating cover, and a filter. And yes, free delivery and installation across the UK mainland. Finance options: we've got you covered with 0% or 4.9% APR. Transform your backyard with the Victoria Beach 4 hot tub from Blue Whale Spa. Luxury, relaxation, and pure bliss, all in one.